Dreaming of a perfect skin? Introducing MFUpro for your skin. It revives your youth with power. The breakthrough of MFU technology with focused liner and synergy dotting. There are different cartridges available that can be customized to meet various needs. Get a delicate jawline, a perfect facial profile, a flawless forehead, and plump apple cheeks. This procedure is non-surgical but truly magical, promoting a youthful and rejuvenated appearance. The SD cartridges offer a double lifting effect, easily treating those hard-to-reach narrow or curved spots with exclusive depths exchange method. Maximize the effect of skin lifting with tailor-made solutions for truly remarkable results. For a younger looking, and for a tightening skin. MFUpro. Renew your confidence.